All right, good day. Today is Thursday, February 21st, and I want to go through the three stocks that I went through with you yesterday. We adjusted them all. Most profit objectives were hit on these three stocks. We're going to talk about Tiffany's, right, TIF. We're going to talk about CRM, right, Salesforce.com, and CL, which is Colgate-Palmolive. All of these were really, really good trades here. The first one that you're seeing right now on your chart is, what is this? Tiffany's, okay? What did we hit? We hit all profit objectives. If you recall back to yesterday's video, all profit objectives were hit on this bounce up, which was beautiful. This white horizontal line represents our trailing stop. Our trailing stop was moved up to 64.35. Not bad, right? 64.35. Remember, we bought this right in here at 63.10. 63.10, which means we made $1.25 on our trailing stop. And then if you listen back to the other profit objectives, the first one was 64.08. We made 98 cents on that. 64.66 was the next one up at $1.56. And then our last profit objective was hit up here at 65.06. So that was close to 2 points up there, and we trailed it up. So that's a great trade, okay? The next one I want to look at is Salesforce.com. That one was also taken out right here. If you recall yesterday, our trailing stop was moved up to 172.49. Remember on this particular trade, this was the only trade that missed our last profit objective. Our last profit objective was up here at 176.57. But our first two profit objectives from this buy at 171.64 was the first one was 174.01, and the second one was 175.54, which was hit right in here. If you recall, we moved our trailing stop up right to this lower white horizontal line at 172.49, locking in 85 cents on the trailing. But we got two profit objectives hit. Not bad. Again, we're out of this trade. We're out of Tiffany's right now. We're totally flat. And then our third trade, as you know, it was absolutely beautiful. Look at this, though, okay? Okay, we went long. I mean, this chart, I mean, you should print this baby out and take a, this is what you really dream of. When you get into a trade like we got in right here where I'm drawing the arrow, remember, we went long at 108.66, 108.66, and look at that move up once we got long. Beautiful trade, okay? First objective was 110.19, making $1.53. Second one was 111.09, right? And our third was 111.70, okay? And then this white horizontal line represents our trailing stop, right? Our trailing stop was at 111.75, right where this white horizontal line is, locking in, what? 8, 9, 10, 11, $3.09. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Now look at today. Well, the market knocked us out this morning. Okay, let's just take a look. Look at it. Market opened up at 111.81. 111.81. Traded down to 111.51. Right? Knocked us out at 111.75. And look at where we're at now. Jeez. This is an engulfing pattern now. You see that? Look at this engulfing pattern. Took out the low of yesterday and took out the high, and we're near the high. This thing's really moving higher. But you know what? You can't get upset. All three profit objectives were hit. The trailing stop was hit, which locked us in even more. So it was a great trade. Now, those are three stock trades. Let's move on to the Euro US dollar trade that I did point out to you yesterday, which did not make money. Okay, if you recall, we went long at 133.80 is it took out this high, 133.80, which is 2 pips above 133.70. 8 rather. Went up, got us filled, right? Ran up to 134.33, and then actually, which is great because you had a sell stop. The market came down, created a bearish engulfing pattern, right? Took out the high of the prior bar and the low and closed lower. So we were knocked out with a loss on this particular trade. We've broken down now through the 50 exponential moving average, as you can see that right here. Okay, so I'm not even looking at this anymore. Actually, we started breaking through that moving average. Not unless I were to get some type of price pattern in here, would I be looking to potentially buy it. But you could definitely measure from that low up to this high. And as you can see, the market has in fact pulled back. Look at that, we're back to a 50% retracement, right? From this move, this low, up to that high, 50%. Oh, 50% is right here. But for me to jump in front of this, to go long, would be difficult. I'd love to see an inside or a variation of this. And then, again, I'll let you know if something's happening here. So, again, those are the trades. Pretty much flat the market right now. Again, yesterday we opened up the Power Stock Trading Strategies 2.0. Doc, Dave, and myself, very excited about that. We've got a lot of new students entering into that program. Again, everything I teach on these videos is just a minor sliver of what I teach inside the program or any of my programs. In fact, I'm only focusing in on a one or two small minor setups. Again, buying on pullbacks, looking for those two price patterns, insides and outsides. Very, very minor part of what I teach inside that program. So again, hopefully you're learning something, and have a great day, have a profitable day. And if you've got any questions at all, you can certainly call me. I'm available. I'm here trading during the day. My direct number, if you want to know, that's 248-320-1115, and my direct email address is todd@tradingconceptsinc.com. That goes right to me. Actually, I switched over emails about 3 weeks ago, and I thought it was forwarded to my other account, and it wasn't. So there's a lot of emails that I have not responded to, but it'd be impossible for me to go back and try to respond to them because there's tons there. But everything's being forwarded now as of a couple days ago. So I apologize for that. Have a great day. Hope to see you inside the program. Hope you're learning a lot in these videos as well. Bye for now.